Okay guys, the next tag we are going to talk about the footer tag. The footer tag, and to open the footer tag, less than footer, and then a greater than sign, and then to close up the footer tag, less than backslash, and then the name of the tag, that is the footer tag. So as I said earlier on about our website being divided into sections, like in an essay where you have the writer's address, the recipient address, and then so let's take the footer tag as that's where you write your yours faithfully, and then your signature. You see that side there. Let's take it as how the footer is. So let's head over to this website. Let's say Mozilla's website, and let's scroll down. So this right here is in the footer tag. Okay, this right here is in the footer tag. And listen, don't get this wrong. Don't get this concept wrong. See, the fact that the code is in the footer tag doesn't mean that it will be automatically placed here. Okay, it doesn't mean that it will automatically place at the bottom here. So you need to write some other code, that is CSS, to style it. But that is where we put our footer. Okay, our footer content is placed in the footer tag. So this is how a footer tag, this is how a styled footer tag can look like. But this is the position where a footer tag should be, so that it makes sense. Okay, see, you can write a footer tag here and then put it at the top of your HTML. It doesn't matter, but it doesn't make sense. Nobody does that. Okay, nobody does that. So to write a footer, to give your website a footer content, you need to create a footer tag and then write your content inside. Again, it's not compulsory to write a footer tag, but it's a principle. Okay, it's the principle. To create a footer, you need to have the footer tag. And even if you don't have the footer tag, you can create a footer, but you need to have a footer tag because it's the principle. So that's how it is. So let's write. Let's head over to our yeah. So this was our website, which is going to be quicker than Facebook in less than 3 days. I'm sorry, I'm just joking. So this is our website which we are creating, and this is the title. So let's write some content inside our footer tag. Let's say this is our footer. Okay, and then let's refresh. You see, this is our footer. Although it's in the footer tag, doesn't necessarily mean that it should be placed at the bottom. Okay, you need to have another language, that is CSS, cascading style sheet, and I will talk about CSS when I finish with this HTML video. So let's continue. So to have a footer content, you need to have a footer tag. And actually, let's switch it on to our live server over here. So go live so that you don't have to refresh anymore. Sorry. So yes. So that is it. A footer tag. So let's say we want to let's say this is our footer. Sorry, this is our footer. Let's say this footer will be bigger. No, let's say this footer will be very nicer than Facebook's. Okay. It's supposed to. Okay, sorry. I need to access it here. So localhost, and then the port is 5500 test. So this is our footer, and this footer will be very nicer than Facebook's. Okay, so to write a footer tag, less than footer, and then greater than, then to close out the footer tag, less than backslash, and then the footer. Okay, so the next tag we are going to talk about are header tags. Okay, header tags. Oh no, header. No. Let's close level. So the next tag we are going to talk about will be the heading tags. Okay, there are 6 heading tags. Just so you know, there are 6 heading tags. None more, none less. Okay, and then to write a heading tag, we have the H1 tag, the H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, and H6 tag. So there is it. Oh, so yeah, there are 6. So there is it. So we have an H1 tag, H2 tag. Actually, let me close the line server because its descriptions. So let's say, yeah. So there are 6 tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And then the difference between the H1 tag, H2 tag, and then its latter is that the font size varies. Okay, so an H1 tag will have a very bigger font size as compared to H2, H3, H4, and then H5. And an H6 tag will have a smaller font size compared to H5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So to see this in demonstration, let's start with an H6 tag. So a less than H, then 6, and then to close the tag, less than /H6. So let's go live again. Sorry. So let's go live again, and let's delete our content over here. And let's say inside our H6 tag, let's write this is an H6 tag. So you see the font size over here. Then let's go over to an H5 tag. So less than H5. Say this is an H5 tag. See, the font size gets bigger. And then let's move on to an H4 tag and say this is an H4 tag. Gets bigger. And then H3, this is an H3 tag. And then H2, this is an H2 tag. And then finally H1, this is an H1, this is one H1 tag. So an H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And I think it's clearly obvious that it's obvious for you to see the difference, the major difference in these tags. And then the fact that it's an H6 tag doesn't mean that the font size will be like this. Okay? It doesn't mean that the font size will be like this forever and ever. You can change the font size with CSS, but we're doing HTML now. So just so you know, we have 6 heading tags, and I made a mistake earlier on by saying header tags. I'm very sorry. All these tags are heading tags. Okay, so they are heading tags. All these tags are heading tags. Okay, from H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5, H6. They are not header tags. They are heading tags. So let's say you're creating a website, and then on the top of a website you want it to be let's say, welcome to my website. So it's obvious that the tag you would want to use would be an H1 or an H2 tag because of the font size, so that it displays very well. But you don't want to be using an H6 tag to tell the user welcome to my website. It doesn't. So that is it, our heading tags, and see you in the next video where we continue talking about tags. So bye guys.